Thought for the day, Tuesday, September 3rd. Love makes us free. Love conquers all. Countless things could be said about this love that Jesus teaches us with his life, with his words. Nevertheless, I would like to emphasize today only 2 points which are fundamental. First of all, it is necessary to love everyone without exceptions, without distinction, without preferences, as God does with us. And here it is about loving the friend as well as the enemy, the nice and the unfriendly, the teacher and the neighbor at home, the postman and the colleague. Loving everyone also means loving people who are far from us. Now the second point. It is necessary to be the first to love. Normally, we love when we feel loved. We respond to love that comes to us. But what if it doesn't reach us? No, it is much better to take the initiative, to be the first to give a sign of friendship, of forgiveness, of willingness to start over from the beginning. Try to love this way. You will experience great freedom because you are the main actors. Message from Chiara Lubich to young people on the occasion of World Youth Day in Germany, 2005.
The Word of Life for September 2024. Do not merely listen to the Word and so deceive yourselves. Do what it says.
We are members of the Focolare movement from several Latin American countries and from Italy. Did you like this video? Then give us a like and subscribe to channel Playing Campaign.